Alright, so I'm back with another video on Learn With Me. So this is Yan Ahmed, and this you're watching Learn With Me in Lunaso Studios. So this is another study session. It's currently 1:09 a.m. at night, and I'm currently working on a coffee shop. Yeah, I was working on a coffee shop in my last video, and like apparently I've done some work behind the scene. Like I wasn't recording, I was just bored, so I worked on this, and today I'm gonna be continuing on what I left behind. So yeah, let's see. But the thing is, I'm stuck in some places. So this is my client side, and this is my backend, which is basically Python way it says, because the backend is written in the Python and the front end is written in Next.js. So I haven't done much on the front end side, so I'll just show you the front end, like what I've done so far. I have to say fire up the backend as well because it's not hosted. Command is fast API run dev. Sorry, not dev. Sorry, not me. Sorry. I want to add the reload flag, but I forgot. My apologies. Okay, just come on. So this is a live stream that I'm doing, not live stream. Actually, I wanted to do a live stream, but the thing is, my YouTube doesn't support the live stream right now. As you know, this channel is pretty small at this point, and also the videos are going to be in Facebook and other places. What was that? Okay, a secret. I was doing some testing. Anyways, let's let's see. Let's see how far I've gone because I have also forgot what I've done so far. So let's run the servers and let's see what I've done. Not this. Okay. So apparently I've seen that I was stuck in between of using the auth token. So I was using auth token, JWT auth token. So I was having trouble to implement that token on my protected routes. So that was a bit problem there. So let's see if it's running. It's not there yet. Hmm. The development side of Next.js is pretty damn slow. That's really annoying. And my laptop is gone a bit weak, so I have to wait for it also. And I'm also recording videos, so it's taking more resources, which is annoying. Uh, Nothing I can do. So I'm gonna be making a browser-based screen recorder next time so that I can manage this resource shit. Let's hope for the best. I don't know how much time I need to wait for it because I don't want to use too much editing on these videos. Okay, so we got it. I can just reload it. Let's see if it compiles now. You can wait for a while. Let's see. Starting, so it will take some time as well. So as I was saying, so the problem I was stuck in the client side was that I have a protected routes in my backend, but those are protected by GWT tokens. So in order to access those routes, mostly in the admin side, you need to be authenticated. And how do I check this authentication is using GWT tokens. So in order to authenticate GWT tokens, I need to pass this. And I was using HTTP only, the secure way of storing tokens, so that the JavaScript cannot manipulate it, they cannot do the XSS or server-side request for, so that's CSRF. So cross-site scripting, they could, so that the hackers can't do cross-site scripting. That was my initial plan. and that's really costing me that I cannot access my private routes. But the question is admin. If I do admin dashboard, it should redirect me back to my login page. So I can see it's loading, and it should give me my page. Huh? Log out. I'm logged in for some reason. Okay, now I'm back to my login page. Yeah, it worked. I don't know why. So as you can see, I couldn't authenticate myself there. So now I'll try to log in. So I'm using some dummy data, Gmail, to log in. Let's see. Okay. Okay. As you can see, it didn't work. So as I try to log into my dashboard, and it's keep pushing me back that it cannot authenticate, and it's not getting the auth token basically. So what I'm guessing that I need to implement the next auth. So I'll be just using get started. Let's see if I can just do it. Existing project, yes. Add client. I'll add a new terminal. Let's see if we can just implement using watching this documentation, reading this through it, and I can just try to implement this next auth. I've never worked with next auth, so this is gonna be a learning experience for me as well. So let's see if we can do it. I can make a big post about it, that how the next auth was and why use it. So there might be a question that there are some providers which gave you the like one-click implementation that takes you 5 minutes. Then I already have a podcast about using Clark in my application that gave me authentication in 5 minutes. Then why I am using this, like why I'm using this custom authentication. The thing is, I'm using custom authentication because they are going to be providing me some custom features. Like I need my custom authentication logic. The backend is going to be accessible only to the manager role in my coffee shop or any kind of admin role, so they don't really need to access it using their email or other authentication methods. I want them to have like two type of forms where they add their details like name, email, address, and stuff like that. And in the second form, they will add the information of their ID cards and ID card numbers, the issue date, and things like that to log in. And after doing that two-level of authentication, they'll authenticate to the admin dashboard so that they have that access to all of the dashboard and information in the admin panel that exists. So a normal user, have no specific reason to log in or sign up in the admin dashboard, and they cannot. Um, as is a coffee shop, no specific user is going to be making a sign up as well. So like it's going to be annoying, at least for me, to like if I want to order a simple coffee. I don't want to make a application. I don't want to make any user account on that application. I just want to go there, search through my menu, what's there, and I just want to order a freaking coffee. So that's what I'm gonna achieve here. So now I have to make some API routes. Okay, so that's kind of, it uses pages, but we have what, an app router. Let's see. So to add next auth to a project, create a file called nextauth.js in this dynamic route handler for next auth. One that's all global next auth. If using this or above app router, you can use it around itself to follow our guide. Let's follow this guide. So okay, it initialized. Anything else? No, I guess. My bad. So I can just simply copy this, and I'll go to my create a new file. So I just created this file. Now I need to copy this. Okay, so next auth, I just got the next auth from here. Now, generally next auth is stated that it's been initialized in a handle. Okay, and response. How do I use it? Function auth API request method. The response onto next auth. Return await at the section will still be an option. You execute it. An option as well as its. Okay, I'll just look at here. Okay, they're using the providers const auth options. Am I using auth options? Now it's a handler. Are they using handler? Anything like that? Next auth.ts. Excuse me, what was that file? Oh, I don't have that next auth. Oh, sorry, my bad, my bad. Designed for, keep in mind the regular hierarchy is like this. Okay, I'll just go to options and let's see. Options set the environment for your site. Is it used to encrypt the secret to hash? What's happening? Is the built-in get token helper method to verify and decrypt the token like this? Okay, so I can use this function to get my authentication. Yeah, I can get that. Like, I'll get this. If I copy this, process.env. What secret are we talking about? Oh, okay. I'll just check my .env file. Command shift .en. I don't have an .env file. That's awesome. Token drag get token. Secret. Okay, I'll use this because I'm not okay. What's the default async function? I'll just do const. Why are you like this? You know what? I'll just copy this. I'm really confused. Initialization. I wanna see like why do I put that fucking my bad? Why do I put that like function there? Where? I don't think this is how you do it. I'll just create something. function like this. I'll just read it. Isolation handler. Token details. Now this should work. Okay. Okay. So the request and response are coming from somewhere. For me, this helper function is also able to read and token passed from the bearer token. The following options: request object. I'm a bit concerned if I'm doing it right. Initialization, like how do we call this function? How do I use this function? That's the question. This can be a way to do it. Like, just go down. I can put it like this. I can bring them here. Next auth. Get token details. What? Oh, sorry. Export function. Now what's wrong with this? Parsing error. Wait, is it the problem? Okay. I don't know what will it return. Thing is, like, I don't know how to use this function. Okay, if I do this, it's not includes callback and the constant log, disk key. You know what? Okay, I'll just put this here. Okay, what's wrong with this? Should I just remove it? Some cookie. Session. Okay. Where is that coming from? Cookies. Some custom cookie. Okay, it's returning cookie. But I don't want to return the cookie. I want to return the token. So where is the session coming from? um, I'll just try to can I just say console.log? So, can it return the token? If it does that, can I just get const token await this, and I can just why it's not included here? What's the problem? Next ops. Um, okay. Uh, if not token also no token found. Okay, but what's wrong with this? Provider is declared here. Can I fix it? Let's accept it and see. Okay, there are no providers, so I can just pass credential providers, name credentials, username, password, this, let's pass this, and but cannot find name. What did it? Okay, what else? It created a function. Damn. Yo, what have you done? No, 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 no. Just go. I need to see the providers actually. Auth. What is auth? No, not auth. Credentials. Oh, I need to import credential provider from somewhere. This and what? Import local declaration. Where did you find the local? My God. Now what? Okay, I wonder what's wrong. Okay, I think no, I needed credentials. Okay, I'll watch it. So providers credential missing authorization. You know what? I'll just copy this. I'll copy the whole provider and let's see. Right. I'm using email, so I'll put email placeholder. Okay, let's just do it like this. Email. Okay, like it's never used. Fetch your endpoint. What endpoint I'm using? Now that's a question. Okay, you need to provide your own logic here that takes the credentials submitted and returns either the object representing a user or value. It is okay. Regulatory. So can I just try my own credentials? Localhost 8000 slash docs. So this is it. I'm trying to log in a user. Authentication. Log in a user. I should be having then there should be like slash API slash auth slash what was it slash login. Okay. Now how do I use this and what are the two? Okay, if I'm not using it, I don't think I need to pass it, do I? No, and the token, return the session, never read session, comma, token. I basically need the token, not the session. So now there should be one error, and that is this. And it says what? Next request is not assignable. Should I just say next request? What? It's missing the following properties. Of type next request. Next URL. What the hell is this? I have to look for it. Let's see. I don't know what's this. Layer trying to. Okay. Please use a different correct type for average. Okay. Next server. Understood. Okay. So I need next request and next response from next server. These two should be gone. Okay. Rest and does not exist. press. Now, what the hell is this? Type route handler, param is missing type. Norms unknown but required in type particular context. I really don't understand what this is talking about, but let's just try. Okay, I'll just try. But how do I access this next auth thing? Like, I don't even know how do I use this. Okay, callbacks. There's pages, providers. I've done this. Database, pages, sample pages, option, report, signing page, theming. Kind of weird. Okay, I'll just look for next auth implementation. Okay. In the new route in your application called login and paste the following code. App login.tsx suspense mail okay ultra app tabs and dashboard page. Is this logging in? Okay, I was doing everything like a weird way, like creating a user login and stuffs like that. So I need to refactor everything, I guess. So I'll just create a new group, a routing group called auth. I'll create a new route called login, a file called page.tsx, and I hope that things are going to be your XML logo. I don't know. Where is that coming from? App UI login form. Where did you get those? Where the hell did you get those? Check the comments rapidly access update later. Okay. To an application to our application. Let's see. Involved in managing sessions, signing and signed out, and other aspects of authentication, while you can manually implement the feature. Okay, setting up next auth. I just did that. Install a better version of Nextdoor, which is supported Next.js 14, join secret key for application. Easy to encrypt cookies, ensure the security of user sessions. You can do this by running the following command in the terminal. Okay. Okay, I need to check one thing. Do I really need JWT access token in order to store and use it for protected routes. Do I need to use next auth? Oh, then I'm going to plug and play solution for handling multiple queries. Okay. Okay. And how do I use it? It is not getting my token from entities as it is an HTTP only token. I did that. Let's check the paths as well. I'll delete them because I'm not using it. Okay, so admin dashboard H. Check auth later. So here what I'm doing is like I've created an API route using the user. I don't even need this. I don't want to confuse myself. I don't need an auth. Please remove. Yeah, a user route. It's just get. No man. No. I need this. Okay, so what it's doing is basically okay, this time I need to check my server API. Where is it? In dependencies, or maybe in util auth, maybe in my routes user verified routes. Yeah. Yeah, user control. What's wrong with this? Come on. Okay, where is the verify user? Yeah, here is the verify user. He's gonna return this. It's using the current user. The logging functionality, whatsoever, is going to use this true token, access token. Yeah, I don't see a problem, honestly. Credentials include, that's what it said. Credentials include, what's the method here? It's get, because that's what is going to happen. Include, um, just do admin, or that's the logout button. You can see there is a login that I'm using. What's the issue here? It's it has a method, it has the credentials, but still it's not getting it. That's a problem, man. I will need you. Inspect console. Let's try string gmail.com string, and let's try to log in. I can see the login was successful. Access token is there. It's from my backend, most probably, or maybe my front end, I don't know. The verify, it didn't let. Okay, how can I check if headers? What was the headers? Keys, values. I don't understand the reason. It's just not authenticated. The verify just removed it. That's a problem. I can see the authentication code is here. It says access token. My verify route, take the access token. Let me see if it works. Let's see. Execute. Oh, it has something to do with my backend. The authentication cookie didn't work. And why is that? No. Okay, so now that's something new. Like, I was just okay. This is the verify user. So It's going to the current user. Yeah, it's not doing much. The current user should be in dependencies. No, get current user. Okay, so current user is depends get current user. Yeah. So something is wrong here, like credentials token none. If credentials token equals credentials, access token access token not authenticated. I got the not authenticated. Okay, so I got this error. Passing token. Let's see. I'll try once more. What? Isn't it running? It is. Do I just reload it? Try it out. Okay, access token. Let's put it. I'm still getting not authenticated error from somewhere. I'm not getting invalid token. Not authenticated. So where is that coming from? It's not giving me the error verifying user. No, it's not giving me that. Uh, um, token is none. Mm, I'm not getting it. Where is 403 undocumented? It should have a 401. I don't understand. The routes, it's just using a verify user, the controller, it's just throwing me this, the route application. Okay, user domains get current user. Okay, so why? Why? Do I need, can I try this? Let's try this. for some reason this button is working. Request got none, so I got the not authenticated. That shit is not. Yeah, now I understood. Even though I'm passing this, it's getting the cookie. This thing is getting a cookie, but the application itself, it's using this thing to like authenticate this thing. So in that case I need to remove that, but then this document won't be useful. Like, who would get the cookie and use it again and again and again? I need to, that's why I coded it this way, that like I can use it. So I need to change the dependency here. Like, I made this optional, but apparently it's not optional. So that's an issue I see. Hmm. Can I just, yeah, I just don't need this mini map. Uh, hmm, just because of this, what should I do? I'll just have a quick water break. I'll search up on Google like fast API. Protected routes. Let's see, what do I get? Coins? No, I don't want to use third parties. Here is the get current user, so I can see they're using auth to password bearer. What the hell is that? Auth to scheme. Dependency for extracting and verifying JWT token. Get current user. Yeah, this should work on this, the token. Auth to scheme. Where is that? Okay, the auth to scheme is this. If I use it, access token, optional cookie, session DB. Okay. Can I? Okay, I'll see. Can I just always turn on our world grab? Like, I don't understand. Like, why do I have to? I'll just bring this. I know maybe I have done this before, but I haven't. Yeah, as I said, I have it. Please token URL token. I guess login works. I'll just give it a scheme. So I need a depends security and things like that. Successful authentication. No, I have it. Now depends. Hey. I did a wrong thing. Depends security. Token. Auto screen. I'll just put this. Now I want to see what happens. Like, I don't know what will happen. Let's just reload. It is still there. Okay, before anything, oh, yeah, right. So I get this. Stream 45 at gmail.com. Stream unauthorized. Auth error. What is it? Auth error not found. Wow, what an error. Username. So what do I pass? It's not working at all. Okay. So because of this, they have created this login for access token. Yup. Protected. Yeah, whatever. So I can take this and I'll try. Like I can just test it. User can user route. I'm just testing this. Token. I don't have a token, right? Yeah, I don't have it. Exception. Do I have this exception as shit? Why do I have this yellow mark? It's not defined. Authenticate user. Where did you get that from? Authenticate user. Okay, so I have this. A function. This should be in my auth file. Details auth. Create access token decode. Okay, no, I don't have it. I'll just create access token. I have it. I'll just give this. I'll push it here. Okay. I'll pull it. You should be having it right now. No saturation. Come on. Nope. Okay, so I just have to from app.utils.auth. Yeah. I guess by the way, import the HTTPX exception from fast API. Okay, and this should fix everything. It's using router and okay. Time being, I'm just trying everything. Like, so let's just try and see like what happens. This is the username. I'll take string45@gmail.com. Password is string. I know, and it won't work. Yes, I know. Okay, so why? Oh yeah, there is a tiny bit of mistake that I've done. It's not login, it's token. Uh, so it should work technically. Now let's see. String45@gmail.com. String authorize. Okay, so things are kind of working. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. No, I don't understand. Oh, damn, man. I don't need role-based right now. I need the action. Why the hell it's not working? Oh, maybe I know why. If credentials, I wanna print the credentials. Yeah. Honestly, I wanna see it. Okay, okay. Do I get it? I can't. String I want to see the credentials. I still can it hit, but it why didn't it print it? No man, what's happening here? Just turn yourself off. I'm just tired of this. I need to see the damn error. Like, literally. I wanna see this. So, literally, there is no error. Huh. What if I just remove it? Okay, let's now try it. Photographer not found. Screen. You need to just show me something that it's happening. You can't just like show nothing. Can you? Token is none. Oh, wait a second. I'm not getting it. Let's try to fire off. The user should be there. Why isn't it here? Why? Why? This. I can't even find. Should I just ask ChatGPT about this? Should should I just remove this and will it fix it? I should have read the whole thing, but I will try things. At least show me what's wrong. Okay. wonder. That shouldn't be an issue, like, right? Nope, it's not working. It's not working at all. I'm gonna print my token. I wanna see like which one has it. Yeah, it's a bearer token. HTTP bearer. And if I just log in, I get this token. And it should authorize me to verify. It gave me things, and okay, so I got this. Now if I just log out and pass the access token, it passes as the cookie and access token. Why it's passing it like this? I mean, can't I just pass everything? My question is like, why isn't cookie? Why it isn't cookie? Okay, I just ask ChatGPT like, when I use this route, I get sign up uses cookie instead of HTTP error that indicated or suppose. but when I hit the top right button when slide dogs will be I get my request like this. If I use both of them, if I get both of them, what do I get? Okay, so this got an invalid token. Still, but why? Oh yeah, obviously. I wanna see this. Like, if I get both of them, what happens? Ask both. Execute. I still get the user. Thing is, this thing is not even working and not using it. I need to pass this, but all I'm getting is this. I might need to sleep right now. This is the last command I'm giving. Like, I'm tired. Really tired. Hmm. Oh. So if I don't have the security, allows missing headers. Huh? Do I really need to have some custom HTTP bearer class? Um, Security. What if I just don't have this depend thing? Depends. What if I remove it? Will it work? I mean, I don't know. Like, man, I don't know. Will you work? Log out. I wanna see figures. Type missing, field required. What is missing? Cookie is there. But No, if I remove that, it doesn't work. So where did this piece of crap use that? Oh, optional bearer. It uses the security from there. Hmm. Maybe I can give it a try. I guess. I wonder what it's doing. I'll just first put it here. In dependencies, I don't think so. I'll utils, create new file called helper.py. I'll copy the whole file. Git, dependencies, security equal to you should have an auto import. Why it's not having an auto import, I don't understand. Like, what's wrong with this? From app.utils dot helper import optional HTTP bearer. I can remove the security. Why is that? HTTP bearer. Okay. I'll try once again. Where is the verify? Login. I need to log in first. Try that. I stuck for no specific reason, and that's annoying. I wanna see if it works. Yeah, it works. Whoa. Damn. Yeah, it works. But how? I need the explanation. HTTP bearer is a dependency of extraction validates the bearer header. It's such that holds the token if the header exists. Yeah, I know those things. Creating a custom subclass of fuzzy is to be better. Why? Because of okay. If we are overriding the call method, this is what fuzzy uses to execute dependencies like security. Okay. The method takes in the current B request, yeah, then returns the if command or none. Oh, if you're calling the original call function, which the header extracted. Oh, that's pretty simple logic, I see. So now if I have this, will it work? Let's try. Gmail.com. Excuse me. password. String st. I need better handling. Now what? Course? What the? It can't happen. Like literally, it can't happen. I have course set up which specifically says this. Do I need to do something else? I have this course error. This is how my course looks. What do you want me to do? Uh, how do I have it? I have it like this. Allow origins. I have it. Allow credentials. True. Methods. Allow headers. Everything is fine. And oh, you're running a front end from this and not this. Really, Nika? Do I really have to like? Zero dot one. And will it solve the issue? Um, my back hurts. I still got a course error, and I don't know why. that? Um, it's not helping. Because from this to this, which are different again, since the server at but okay, you know what? I'll look into it in the next video. I had enough of this. I don't want to work on this right now. This should work. What is going on? And okay, I'll turn it off. Okay, so this was it for today's video. I'll meet you maybe tomorrow or someday soon. And till then, good luck, good night, and let me sleep. Ta-da!